Meal prep doesn't have to mean eating sad chicken and soggy vegetables out of a Tupperware for 5 days straight. I'm about to show you 3 lunches, all 30 plus grams of protein each, that you'll actually be excited to eat. And one of them takes literally 10 minutes. So let's get cooking. High protein meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or Instagram perfect. The meals that actually work are the ones that fit your real life. Whether that's eating lunch in your car in between meetings, forgetting to feed yourself because you're feeding everyone else around you, or just being over a $15 sad desk salad. So today I'm showing you 3 high protein meal prep approaches. One that takes 10 minutes and no cooking, one that's ready in about 20 minutes and tastes restaurant quality, and one of my favorites for my clinical nutrition days that takes about 30 minutes, but it is good enough for dinner too. Meal 1 is what I call the Adult Lunchable, and this is intentionally simple. No cooking required, just assembly. And it's perfect if you don't have access to a microwave, you're on the go, or you just want the quickest option. So let's put it together. So we're starting with our hard-boiled eggs. You have 2 options. You can air fry them, which is my favorite method because there is 0 mess and the shells peel off pretty easily, or boil a big old batch at the beginning of the week, and then you have 8 eggs for 4 days. Now, here's a little tip. If you keep the eggs in their shells, they'll last longer in the fridge. We're talking about 5 days. If you pre-peel them, eat them within 2 days, and that's just for the best quality. Now, everything else is literally just chopping and placing. We're slicing up veggies into bite-sized pieces, and the key is variety, different textures and colors to make it feel like a real meal, make it fun, and make it enjoyable. So I have grapes for sweetness. I have some sliced cucumber for crunch. That's gonna dip really nicely into my hummus. I also have some whole grain crackers and then nice almonds for healthy fats. And this hits exactly 30 grams of protein. You got tons of fiber from the veggies and the fruit, which means sustained energy and satiety. And your blood sugar stays stable all afternoon. And honestly, it feels kind of indulgent because it looks like you packed yourself something special. That's the real win here. It looks abundant and colorful and absolutely delicious. Now, meal 2 is a step up in involvement, but really not by much. It is my favorite when I can devote just a little more time because the flavor payoff is incredible for about 15 to 20 minutes of effort. It's an Asian chicken mason jar salad, and it has the perfect balance of flavors, the sweet, the salty, a little bit of heat, and definitely some crunch. It's loaded with veggies, edamame for a little extra protein, and mandarin oranges add that bright sweetness. Trust me on this one. Let's put it together. Okay, we're starting with our dressing on the bottom, and that means that our veggies and everything on top are gonna stay fresh and crisp. So we've got soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, sriracha, love a little heat, and honey, garlic, ground ginger. I'm gonna give this just a little whisk. Get that honey and oil mixed together. On top of the dressing goes our chicken. So we have about 4 ounces of our grilled chicken. Now the thing about rotisserie chicken is it tends to be higher in sodium, so that's why I like to grill or bake mine if I can. Rotisserie chicken will work in a pinch though. Then our veggies, we're adding our edamame next. Get the color. It's giving us fiber plus plant-based protein. Now, cabbage. It's another beautiful thing about this salad. There are so many pretty colors. Carrots, and then bell pepper. Give it a little smush down. Then our mandarin oranges. Then our scallion goes on top. Then it's greens. Now I've got a mix of spinach and baby kale, and then 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds for crunch, and then some sesame seeds, about a teaspoon right on top. So much color. Now we seal it up. And when you're ready to eat, the most satisfying part of our whole entire week, you're gonna shake the whole jar, and it's like a little snow globe, but lunch. Everything gets coated in our Asian-inspired dressing. The greens on top stay crisp because they were layered away from the dressing. My favorite way to eat this is pour it into a big bowl or onto a plate, so then you can mix everything up. It's easier to eat, and it is definitely a flavor explosion. And per serving, we have 39 grams. The chicken and the edamame combination get us there. We've also got about 10 to 12 grams of fiber from all these beautiful veggies and the edamame. The mandarin oranges adding natural sweetness, and the vitamin C. This is nutrition that tastes so seriously good. Into the fridge. I cannot wait for this for lunch for tomorrow. Meal 3 is one of my personal favorites, and there's a reason I call it the highest reward option. It takes the most time and effort up front, but the flavor, texture, and satiety is absolutely worth it. For the sweet potato, we are gonna peel it, dice it, put it onto a sheet tray that has some olive oil, and then load it up with spices. Talking cumin, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and then salt and pepper. And we are gonna roast it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring halfway until we get some like crispy caramelized bits, some texture to our sweet potato. And while that is in the oven, our ground turkey is cooking on the stove. We're just browning it and cooking it down with those same spices. All right, now it's time to put our turkey taco bowl together. I've got my Tupperware, just a big old open one, works perfect. And I'm gonna put this on the scale so that I can measure my ground turkey because we want 4 ounces. But first, to bump up our veggie intake and our greens, throw in some greens on the bottom, and then ground turkey, 4 ounces on top, and then sweet potato, about 3/4 cup. Oh, it's got those like crispy edges. Yeah, this will make 2 bowls. And then black beans, 1/2 cup. And you just look at all the layers of this. This is what I used to do back in my clinical nutrition days. I would top it with some cheese and some salsa. Then when you microwave it, the cheese melts. You got a little extra flavor and kick from salsa. Even some hot sauce would be in my normal rotation. Yum. Look at the layers. Love it. Now I'm gonna pop this into the fridge so that it is ready for lunch for another day. But when you're ready to eat it, pull it out of the fridge, into the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. It's gonna warm everything up. The cheese is gonna melt. Some sliced avocado would be lovely on top, or a little extra hot sauce. Per serving, our combination of sweet potato, black beans, turkey, and cheese and salsa, 50 grams of protein, 11 grams of fiber. And that fiber combined with the protein, healthy fats, means keeping us full until dinner and seriously satisfied. And frankly, that's what I am making it for today. It's gonna be dinner for the family. Now picture this, it is Tuesday at 12:15, you're starving. You open the fridge and there's this beautiful taco bowl just waiting for you. 2 minutes in the microwave and you are eating better than anyone in your office. That's the power move right there. A little prep on the weekends pays off during the week. So there we have it, 3 completely different meals, different time frames, but all hitting that 30 grams of protein and all keeping us full, fueled with some serious flavor. Now, as a registered dietitian, I work with clients on meal planning every single day. And the biggest barrier to success isn't knowing what to eat, it's knowing how to plan it so it actually fits into your life and your taste preferences. That's why I put all my resources, all these recipes on my website for you to dive deeper. I have a huge collection of meal prep recipes and all the nutrition info is on for each one as well. All right, it's assignment time. Yes, I am giving you homework because I'm a dietitian and I want you to succeed. Pick one of these, just one this weekend, make it, eat it, tag me on socials, or drop me a comment and let me know which one you tried. You will be setting yourself up for success for the week, and I cannot wait to hear all about it. And I am super psyched to share with you, I have some new packages. Through my practice, Thrive Nutrition RDN, I'm offering nutrition counseling that includes my meal planning program and live meal prep together classes. Head over to my website if you want personalized nutrition guidance, meal planning support, or if you want to join a class where we literally cook together and I answer all your questions in real time from the comfort of your own kitchen. Links down in the description. And now that you're in meal prep mode, jump on over to my high protein meal prep video next. I've got 3 breakfast options that hit that 25 to 30 grams of protein and take all about the same amount of time. And I will see you over there. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.